In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play the Soggy Swamp theme from Minecraft on the ukulele. So you take your first finger and you put it onto the third box of the E string. That's the third one from the ceiling. So 1, 2, 3. Take your first finger and put it into the the third box of the E string. So it's like this. Now, on the string nearest to the floor, the next one down, the A string, you've got this pattern. 5, 3, 5, 6. Okay, notice I'm playing the 5 with my third finger, the 3 with my first finger, and the 6 with my little finger. So it's like this. 5, 3, 5, 6. I then do it again. 5, 3, 5, but the 6 goes on the string above, the E string this time. And then this bit ends by going back to the A string and going 5, 3, 5. So let's put that all together. Your first finger goes on the third box of the E string. Then on the string below the A string you go 5, 3, 5, 6, and then another 5, 3, 5, 6 goes on the E string above. Back to the bottom string and you go 5, 3, 5, and the whole thing ends on the A string, okay, and you go 0, 3, 5, 0. And notice the rhythm's like do, do, B. Okay, let's put that all together then. So it's like this. Okay, let us know how you've got on and have fun.
We really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about the ukulele, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also take the next step on your ukulele quest with our fun method book. The Ukulele Quest is available worldwide, and you can find a link to this in the description below.